Sunday morning.
Do you want me to get
They're
the
just
blue?
over 4 weeks old now. Ava's sitting here in the pen, giving lots of puppy loves and cuddles.
Hey yo. Hey yo, puppies everywhere.
Gorgeous
Puppies everywhere.
babies. Oh.
Yes, I love you.
Is that little Asher? Oh, it's little Asher, isn't it? It's a green colour.
That's a blue.
Oh, that's a blue colour. Oh, yeah, that's right though.
Give
blue.
me my shirt back.
Those are two
dude.
blue collars, the boy and the girl.
Hello, who are you?
One light blue, one dark blue.
Hello.
This one's misty yellow.
This one loves licking my ears.
Does he? And this
Yeah,
is
that's
another
biting
little
my
chubber that
fingers.
loves being out. Little womble, like little bears. Little bears. And the rest are all having a good old feed off Mom, who is not impressed any longer with breastfeeding. She's over it. Good morning, it's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Thank you guys for being with me today. It's really appreciated by me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel on my 75,000 subscriber week. I've reached 75,000 subscribers. That's absolutely unbelievable because February 2019, last year, I have an email from YouTube congratulating me on 100 subscribers. Yeah, 100 subscribers. So look, you've blown me away. I do nothing special, just having fun in my art room, and just bringing you guys in with me and enjoying my time here. I have no fancy skills of any description regarding social media, video editing, university art degrees or anything of such nature. I'm just having fun in my art room and videoing the journey, and it just seems that you guys appreciate me keeping it real, nothing over the top, no fancy nothing for me. It's just me in my art room having a go, having some fun and just enjoying my time and bringing you guys along for the ride. I'm just overwhelmed with the lovely comments, the subscribers that I have gotten, and I just want to give you a big thank you. Now you're making me all emotional. Holy dooly. So this is just a quick one. I tried a little swipe the other day, kind of Kathleen Osmore type swipe, where she, I'll explain her. If you don't know Kathleen Osmore, she's Cos Creation. She has a YouTube channel and does some awesome work. Absolutely. So I'm not doing the paint quite like I see Kathleen does, really keeps her paints thin, like a Dutch Cooroy kind of thin. I haven't done that, but I'm sort of trying to do the similar kind of swipe that Kathleen does, where she only adds her colours down the centre or off centre or wherever, and she swipes her little heart out, and I love it. Where did I want to go now? Okay, I want to put some yellow in here. So they're all my Mont Studio acrylics mixed with the normal PVA glue and water. My brands and my suppliers are in the drop down box, anybody looking. So it's all there, no secrets, all done exactly as you see it. I have beginners videos for those, and there's attachment to my beginners videos underneath, as is attachments to glossing, so on and so forth, glossing your pieces. So where did I want to go with this? So this is the bright yellow, the deep red, I think it's called carmine actually, and the orange, which I added red to this time to make it kind of real orangey red. ready orange, should I say. So I know Kathleen uses these little cards and she swipes, and I've got a tendency when I swipe that I go, I don't want to keep a straight line, see, I want to wobble. So I'm going to try and do my best to do, I mean, it's Kathleen's style, but with my take on it. So you might all learn from different artists on YouTube, but you can never copy or be the same and get something similar. We're just giving you the tools to teach the technique, and then you go off on your own merry way and create and make it your own. So just gonna take out the air bubbles. And I'm going to swipe. I'm just going to try and keep it straight down. So this has got, my paint has got 2 drops of Helmar silicone in each cup and stirred really well. Just as the description in the drop down box tells you, that's exactly how I do my makeup for my paints. So I add these crazy little, look at these cells popping up. This is with I haven't got Floetrol in these particular ones. So. This is just a small canvas. It's a 25 by 20. Just in test again for a bigger swipe that I want to do on a real long one, which is 121 centimeters long, I think by 50 wide. So I just want to see how it turns out. Don't like how these are going in holes. Not sure why that's happening. They normally go in nice cells shaped. I mean, that's kind of like a snowflake looking. Listen out a bit, Tia. Come to me, baby. Okay. Yeah, not liking these snowflakes, but I suppose it's something different. Obviously, I've used bright colours for my swipe. I'm into bright colours. Wowzers trousers, these are the colours and how the cells are coming with those particular colours, pretty nice. Well, there you go. There was my pretty plain and simple and quickie swipe for today. So I hope you like it. It's one that beginners can do for sure. Very easy quickie swipe. Using bright colours, small canvas. So if you are just a beginner, look in my drop down box and you will see a link to beginners videos that tells you all what you should get. You can do one of those. Dips are good for beginners. Oh my goodness, my table looks so messy because it's Sunday here in Australia and all I've done all today is pour, and I didn't want to keep using clean piddle pads, so hence a messy background. But wait for the end and I will show you some finished photographs and close-ups because the cells are pretty amazing coming up in this particular pour. Bye for now, until next time. Stay safe, people.